Welcome to episode number 62. We are on the verge of completing of civil work. The patch flooring of the extended area, exclusively the kitchen sink area. That flooring is in progress. We are completing that flooring today. Post the entire flooring of this area, we'll be initiating with the backsplash and the kitchen wall tiling, which is balanced. So 50% kitchen wall tiling is done, but 50% is yet to get completed. So we'll be focusing on that area this week. As mentioned, carpentry we have already started. What you see in the living room's window, the roofing work is underway. So this fabrication team is getting the things done. Moving ahead, we are going to the master bedroom. So patch wall punning was balanced here, so we're getting that thing completed. With regards to carpentry, we have started with kids bedroom wardrobe. The wardrobe in the kids bedroom is going to be an openable one, two-door openable with a dresser unit and with a small section for the used clothes. What I would like to highlight here is this wall. This is the dedicated area for the wardrobe, but because of wardrobe, we have done the preliminary painting here, so that once the wardrobe is fitted, the wall will be still finished. So this is the master bedroom wall. This also will be finished before we start the fixing of carpentry over here. So rest, the debris are underway, and that's it for the day. So thank you so much, guys. Do like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.